In this module, we're going to show you how to use short-form content platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts to drive traffic to your digital products without spending a dime on ads. Organic content is one of the most powerful ways to grow fast, and right now, short-form video is where all the attention is. Here's why this matters for you. You don't need to go viral. You don't need to be a pro influencer. You just need to create short, helpful videos that show your product solving a real problem or making someone's life easier. Here's a simple content formula that works. Step 1. Hook. Grab attention in the first 2 seconds. Example, still not hitting your savings goals or feeling overwhelmed every morning? Step 2. Show the problem. Quickly demonstrate the struggle your ideal customer is facing. This builds connection. Step 3. Show your product as the solution. Hold up your printable, screen record your Canva template, flip through your digital planner and say something like, "This changed the game for me. That's why I created this 90-day planner to help you stay focused, even when life gets messy." Step 4. Call to action. End with link in bio to download it now, or grab it instantly, no shipping, no waiting. You can record these videos with your phone, use Canva or CapCut to add text overlays, and post them across all 3 platforms to reach different audiences. One 30-second video a day can bring traffic to your funnel every single day, and it's free. And if you're using products from the ultimate Digital Cashflow Vault, you'll never run out of content ideas. Each product gives you dozens of angles, from how-to tutorials to this or that comparisons, to daily tips and transformation stories. Pro tip, use ChatGPT to generate script ideas. Just type, "Give me 10 TikTok script ideas to promote a digital gratitude journal for women." Boom, instant inspiration. And remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. You're not chasing millions of views. You're looking for the right person to say, "Yes, this is exactly what I need." In the next module, we'll show you how to speed things up using ChatGPT to write content, emails, and product descriptions, so you can focus more on selling and less on staring at a blank screen. Let's keep growing.